Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Tally to Power BI. This integration allows you to transform your financial data into powerful, interactive dashboards. The most reliable and widely used method involves exporting your Tally data in a structured format, then seamlessly importing it into Power BI for analysis. This approach ensures data integrity and provides a flexible foundation for your business intelligence needs, giving you complete control over your financial insights. The first crucial step is to export your data directly from Tally. You will navigate to the specific report or ledger you wish to analyze, such as a balance sheet or profit and loss statement. From there, select the export option and choose XML data interchange as your file format. This XML file will contain all the structured data needed, ensuring a complete and accurate transfer of your financial records for subsequent analysis in Power BI. Once you have your XML file, open Power BI Desktop and select Get Data from the Home tab. Choose the XML connector and then locate your exported Tally file. Power BI will then display the data in the Power Query editor. Here, you can perform essential transformations, such as removing unnecessary columns, renaming fields, or changing data types, to ensure your data is clean and ready for building insightful reports and dashboards. After setting up your initial report, you can configure scheduled data refreshes to ensure your Power BI dashboards always reflect the latest information from Tally. This automation saves significant time and effort. With your Tally data now in Power BI, you can create compelling visualizations, build interactive dashboards, and share critical financial insights across your organization, empowering better decision-making based on real-time performance metrics.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.